Hey my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you for stopping by. My name is Buki. To all my new subscribers, thank you guys for subscribing to my channel and thank you for watching my videos. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to make Amala at home. If you don't know what Amala is one of Nigerian best solid food. Amala is made of yam, cassava, and banana flour. So yeah, I'll be showing you guys how to make the perfect succulent amala at the comfort zone of your home. So let's get right into this video. So next, what you want to do is to bring your water to a boil and place your pan on the stove. Make sure the stove is on a low heat. Sorry if you're hearing some funny noise on the background. There is a bit of road work going on there, so please ignore that. Yeah, make sure you pour the boiled water in the pot and gradually add your flour. So in this video I was making for 3 or 4 people, so yeah, just add it gradually. Don't add everything. If you're new to this, don't add everything at once. Add it gradually and top it up with water if need be. So here I'm using my omorogu to stir everything nicely, and omorogu is a turning stick, so we call it omorogu, like turning stick. That's what it means basically. Yeah, so I'm using the turning stick to turn the flour, together with the water, and yeah, that's what I'm doing. So this could be a bit messy if you're not using big pots. I'm not used to using big pots to make my solid food. I'm used to using a small pot, like the size of the portion I am making. So here I'm just adding more, and yeah, so keep stirring gradually, no rushing, stir it gradually. So after the flour is thoroughly mixed together with the water, then I'm using a big plastic spatula to pack everything together in a ball form, mold it nicely. Then I'll be adding hot water and also use the spoon to, I don't know what this is called, but you see what I'm doing in the video. Yeah, after doing that, I covered it to cook for like 10 minutes. Then as you can see, the color has changed. So now all I need to do now is mix everything together. Like you just keep stirring till everything form a dough. So now amala is ready. All you need to do now is to serve yourself. You can serve your amala with any choice of soup. You can either use egusi soup, ogbono soup, okra soup with stew, but I served mine with mixed okra and ogbono soup. So if you haven't seen the video of how to cook this particular soup, it will be linked on the screen and also in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you do not forget to give it a thumbs up, like, comment and share. Do all that good stuff, and also follow me on Instagram at iMovie. Bye guys.